Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.
और मार्केट में से लिक्विडिटी कम हो जाने के कारण ओवरऑल कमोडिटीज में हमने सेल ऑफ आते देखा. डॉलर इंडेक्स मेड अ हाई ऑफ 92.30, 92.40, and from then it is been coming down. So in absence of major triggers, I am expecting today a full risk on sentiment to continue, or today we can expect metals to bounce back. Metals can bounce back from here. Copper 690, 691, you can go long. Stop loss should be placed below today's low and expect prices to hit 698, 700. Even for the same reason, nickel can go up 12, 82, 83, good levels to go long. 1270 should be your stop loss and target should be 1300, 1305. Even zinc looks very attractive at 230. Buy at 230, keep a stop loss of 228.90 and expect zinc prices to move up and test levels of 233, 234. So these are the strategies for the evening session for metals. Now, most important question, gold and silver. So tomorrow there is a FOMC Fed chairman Jeremy Powell is going to going to give a testimony. So in that we will get a clear idea that what is going to happen with the bond purchase program, whether tapering, no tapering, that we will come to know tomorrow. So after such a big fall and dollar index the way it is corrected, gold silver is a buy today. 47,000 good levels to go long. 47,300 to 400 should be your target, and 46,800 should be your stop loss. Same with the silver. Even silver looks good to go long today. 67,700 you can go long. 67,500 to 450 should be your stop loss, and 68,200 should be your target. So because dollar index is weakening, I'm expecting gold and silver to give a some bit of bounce back, but it is still not out of woods. So you cannot say that the bear market is over. We have to see what is happening in the testimony tomorrow. What Federal Reserve is saying. Federal Reserve Chairman Jeremy Powell, what he's saying in the testimony, and after that we have to take a call on whether we should remain long or we should go short. But till then, for intraday, we are recommending to go long. Crude oil, it's the only commodity which is defying all convictions and continuously going up. The reason for that is that on Friday, crude oil shot up because of the news that OPEC said that the US production will not move up, but in fact will decline from here. And that led to a spurt in WTI. The contract which is trading on our exchange is the WTI contract. So that kind of statement triggered buying momentum in the WTI crude futures. So I'm expecting until Iran news comes, oil one should remain long. 5,300 today go long. 52.70 should be your stop loss. 53, 55, 60 should be your target. So the major event for the commodity market, RM seed, soya bean, nickel. Nickel looks buy, I told you. RM seed and soya bean. Soya bean, I'm expecting, some bounce back. July contract 60, 800, 6,700. From there, it will again go down because the sowing is going to start. Already, the stage is set. RM seed also looks further downside. The agri commodity में I am bullish on chana. चना फंडामेंटल्स बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं एंड वन कैन गो लॉन्ग इन चना एंड टर्मरिक. टर्मरिक में इस साल सांगली मध्य महाराष्ट्र में सोइंग कम होगा 20-25% इन द टर्मरिक ग्रोइंग बेल्ट. दैट बेल्ट विल गो टू सोयाबीन. सो टर्मरिक अच्छा लग रहा है 7,000 के आसपास. टर्मरिक इज अ ग्रेट बाय. सो आई थिंक दैट्स इट फॉर द डे. आई विल पुश मेटल्स में आपको एक बाउंस बैक देखने मिलेगा. ट्राई टू कैपिटलाइज ऑन द सेम. गोल्ड सिल्वर में भी थोड़ा बाउंस बैक लग रहा है आज. फॉर अ चेंज आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम वी कैन सी सम बिट ऑफ ग्रीन्स इन द कमोडिटी मार्केट. थैंक्स अ लॉट.